Hello everyone and welcome to Macrain Digital Skills Academy. This is Excel Beginner Series. If you have ever opened Excel and felt confused, or you want to learn Excel for jobs, business or school, then this is the series for you. In today's lesson, we're going to understand what Microsoft Excel is, what it's used for, and how to navigate the Excel interface. Let's get started. What is Microsoft Excel? Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet program developed by Microsoft Corporation. It is used to store data, organize information, perform calculations, create charts and reports. Excel is widely used in offices, businesses, schools, banks, and even small businesses and online work. If you want to work as an administrator, virtual assistant, accountant, or entrepreneur, Excel is a must-know skill. Let's learn how to open Excel. Opening Excel. When you open an Excel, you will see a blank workbook like you're seeing here, or template options. For you to see this template option, you can come here and search Excel shortcut, or if you have an already opened Excel like this one, you come to File, and then New, and then these are the options you see. Okay. So you choose blank workbook. It opens this blank workbook. Inside the workbook, we have worksheets. The worksheets, each worksheet looks like a large table made up of rows and columns. This is the worksheet, this area you can put your data in. And it has rows and columns. Let's understand this Excel interface. At the top, you will see the ribbon. Remember, we covered the ribbon in Word. It is also there in Excel, the ribbon. The ribbon contains tabs like Home, Insert, Draw, Page Layout, Information, Formulas, Data, Review, and View. Each tab contains tools and commands. For example, this Home tab contains formatting tools. These are the formatting tools, all of these formatting tools like these ones. So the Insert tab allows you to insert charts, tables, and pictures. You see? The Insert tab, it allows you to insert tables, pictures, shapes, smart art, etc. So after the ribbon, we now move to the worksheet. This space that contains small tables or rows and columns. Columns runs vertically like A downwards. This is column A, column B, column C, column D, column E, column F, and so on. And rows runs horizontally. Row 1, row 2, row 3. Remember, each row is labeled as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each column is labeled as A, B, C, D. Where a row and column meet, we get a cell. For example, this is row A, has gone like that. Where it meets with column B, column A. Let me use the center example so that it is easier to see. Where this box like is, it is where column and it is where this column J and this row 2 have met, and this we call a cell. So for example, this cell is J2. When you click somewhere else, you see it highlights a little, and we have N7. That is how we label columns and rows in Excel. Each cell has an address, that is the address. Like this one, column N, this is N, it is in row 7. So we call it N7. If we click down here, we have, let me go to another set of column. This is N. We have column N lying on line 17. So this address is N17. That is how we label Excel sheets. Next, we are going to look at the sheet tab. Down here we have sheet 1. At the bottom of Excel, you'll see sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. So we have sheet 1. If you want to add sheet, there is a plus sign here. If you click it, it adds sheet 2. You can keep on clicking sheet 3, sheet 4, sheet 5, etc. This is called the Worksheet tab. The Worksheet tab. You can add and delete sheets in this tab. We have added 5. We want to delete. You point at it, you right click, choose delete. You want to delete sheet 4, right click, choose delete. You can also move these sheets. For example, you want sheet 1, sheet 3, sheet 2. So sheet 1, you want to move sheet 2 after sheet 3. You point at sheet 2, you click and hold and move where you want it to appear. That way. This helps you organize your work properly. Why understanding the interface is important? Before learning formulas and calculations, you must understand how to navigate Excel. Think of it like learning the steering wheel and pedals before driving a car. Once you are comfortable with the interface, everything else becomes easier. Practical exercise. Now I want you to open an Excel. Click different tabs on the ribbon. Click on different cells and observe the cell address. Here we find the cell address. Here we find the formula bar. Type your name in cell A1 and type your age in B1. Practice moving around until you feel comfortable. That's it for lesson 1. In the next lesson, we will learn how to enter, edit, and format data in Excel. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notifications. See you in lesson 2.